Right then, hello Year 5. Today we're mastering a really brilliant math skill, multiplying two-digit numbers by a single digit. We've got some absolutely fantastic tricks to share with you, so let's just jump straight in.
We'll be looking at a few different methods today, starting by breaking numbers down to make them a whole lot simpler, all the way to solving them super quickly in columns.
First up is partitioning, which basically means splitting a number up to make the maths way easier. Take 26 times 4. Instead of tackling that 26 all at once, just partition it into its tens and ones, 20 and 6. Then multiply each part by 4 separately. 20 times 4 is 80, and 6 times 4 is 24. Add those two together and you get 104. Much more manageable, isn't it?
Now, as you get a bit more confident, you can try setting these calculations up in columns. On the left is the expanded method. For 24 times 3, you list the partial products, so 12 and 60, and then add them up. But for a really brilliant shortcut, you've got to try short multiplication on the right. For 27 times 2, you do the multiplication, but neatly record the regrouped 10 underneath the tens column, so you can just add it in later. It's a real game changer. Okay, let's see what happens when our numbers get slightly bigger. Let's try 61 times 4 using short multiplication. First, 1 times 4 is 4. Then, 6 tens times 4 is 24 tens. Instead of trying to squeeze it all in, just record the 4 in the tens column and regroup the 2 straight into the hundreds column. That gives us a total of 244. Right. Before we wrap up this explainer, let's look at one final clever maths trick: estimation. If you're faced with 72 times 4, it really helps to find a sensible target first. Just round 72 down to 70. 70 times 4 is a nice, quick 280. That gives us a really solid guess to aim for. So, let's see how close we got. The exact answer for 72 times 4 is 288. That is incredibly close to our estimate of 280, so we know for sure our final answer is absolutely spot on. So, will you use estimation as your own secret weapon to check your work next time? Have a go at these methods, Year 5, and happy multiplying!